Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here antimony pentafluoride is given, which is dianion. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here V represent valency. The antimony valency is 5 and bonded atoms are 5. So the steric number will be 5 plus 5 minus of minus 2, which gives 12 by 2 equals 6. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 6 minus 5 gives 1. H6 means sp3d2 hybridization, which is octahedral structure, but with one lone pair. Lone pair can occur by any position since there is no axial or equatorial in octahedral. When compared to the atoms, the lone pair is not visible. So the real structure will be square pyramidal. Square at the bottom, pyramid at the top. So square pyramidal. So the structure of SbF5 dianion is square pyramidal. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.